organically grown Japanese Shishito sweet peppers. Hi, this is Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. Today we're going to cook some Japanese Shishito sweet peppers. These are the three ingredients we're going to use with a little salt, and we're going to fry them up in a frying pan until they're the way we want to eat them. Okay, so we added the ingredients: soy sauce, olive oil, and garlic on medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes. And there you go. It's going to hopefully taste really good. These are Japanese sweet peppers. Alright, finished cooking up the peppers. Ready to eat. Smells real good.